appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
Bak, kaşar peynirler 3.99. Kaç gram? 200 gram. Başka? Zeytinler. Burada 1 kilo, 1,5 kilo zeytin 10.99. Burada da zeytinler var. 800 gramlık 1.99. Burada tatlılar var. Ne var? Ülker'in dankek kötüsü var 2.49. Burada ne bu? 8 kek 2.49 hepsi. Burada domates salçası var 2.79. Burada biskremler var 1.29. Altta albeniler var 79. Burada Ülker çikolatalı gofretler var. Beşlisi 2.49. Burada da neydi var? 8'lisi var. 4.49.
Bu dakiler değil. Bak bu dakilerle oluyor. Hayır doğru.
Aynı fiyat oluyor.
Aynı fiyat oluyor ama daha
Ülker halleyi.